Ladies and gentlemen, this is Trader's Realm. Ladies and gentlemen, I want you to please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I only want to show the truth and talk about the truth. This is the only YouTube channel that talks about the truth about the financial markets. The Matrix, ladies and gentlemen, is start attacking our channel. In the beginning, we were getting more subscribers, but now the matrix, the algorithm matrix is turning against us. We're not getting any more so much views or so much subscribers. But do you know what? I'm not giving up. I'm gonna keep putting these videos for you guys, and even if nobody watch my videos and nobody subscribe, I'm gonna do it. Because someone has to do it. Someone has to talk about the truth. You know, someone has to cook the burgers. Someone has to fry the fries. Someone has to do that. And it's my honor and my obligation to talk about the truth with you guys. I love you, man, and I respect all of my subscribers. So thank you for sticking with me. Now, enough talking, and let's dive deep into the charts. Oh yeah, let's see if we are, yeah. All right, so we are on the weekly chart on Ethereum. Now, do you see what I see, ladies and gentlemen? Because I can see it. Heck, even my grandma can see it. But the question is, can you see it? Yes, you guessed it right. A head and shoulder pattern. I mean, we talk about head and shoulder patterns all the time on our YouTube channel, on Traders Realm YouTube channel. And I told you how powerful head and shoulder pattern is. The higher the time frame is, like daily, weekly, then the stronger the head and shoulder is. Do not underestimate head and shoulder. It is the most powerful not indicate, but the most powerful pattern to ever exist in all of technical analysis. And ladies and gentlemen, do you see what I see? I'm not kidding you. Let's zoom in a little bit. Do you see what I see? To the penny. It looks like to the penny. Almost. Let me do it like that. Take the neckline. Yes, from the right shoulder, we measured from the head to the right shoulder. To the penny almost, ladies and gentlemen. But this is a liquidation candle, and we talk about liquidation candles. We cannot time the bottom, but it's an area. A head and shoulder. It took us, I would say, to the penny, the true bottom of Ethereum. We also have seen the head and shoulder pattern on the weekly, if you remember, on the total 2. Let's go to the total 2 for a minute. So the total 2 is the total market cap of all cryptocurrencies excluding Bitcoin, so without Bitcoin. Let's remove this line. You see it here? A head and shoulder, man. A head and shoulder. Left shoulder. And then we have the head. And we have the right shoulder here. And then it takes us to the bottom. Let's do an equal measure move. From the head to the, let's take the head to the right shoulder, from the top to the bottom, and we put it on the neckline or the bottom of the right shoulder. It's hard to know where is the neckline, if it's here or here, but we take a measure based on the shortest, whatever closest to the head. It can be the left shoulder or the right shoulder. So, do you see what I see? Let's do it like this, so everyone can see it. I'm not kidding you guys. I am not kidding you guys. That's why I tell you to like and subscribe like you have never subscribed before. This YouTube channel is all about escaping the matrix. Together, one trade at a time. And this is not a financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. Anything that I say in this video is only for education purposes. But took us to the penny. Oh my god, I did not want to make this video, but I had to make this video. To the penny. Man, it took us to the penny. This is so beautiful. Let's go back to Ethereum, guys. Let's do that. And help me to reach 100 subscribers. Let's do it, man. Let's just help each other. Love you guys. Respect you. I want to only show you the truth. But do you also see what I see? Could it be? Could it be really? I'm not sure. Maybe it could be a cup and handle pattern here. I'm not sure. And by the way, everything that I do, I'm doing it live. I do not practice these charts. I do it live and I talk about it as I see it. I've been doing these financial markets for a very long time, since 2017, and also funded trader since 2020. So before we do a cup and handle, I also see something here. I'm not sure. It's looked like a W pattern. Let's see. Sometimes they are not so clear. This W, yeah, it's a W pattern for sure. Yeah. Okay, let's stop that. Let's go back. Let's leave it like this. So we talked about W patterns on this channel a lot, actually. It can be a head and shoulder M pattern or an invert head and shoulder, but usually they are all the same. They are never perfect, because this W pattern is not perfect. And we talked about, once we break the neckline of a W pattern and we have a daily close above the level, we usually do a short squeeze and it push higher and retest. Now we did not did a powerful short squeeze, but we did a powerful short squeeze here, and it did exactly like I talked about. It always, not always, but most often, I have to be careful what I say, but most often it goes up and it goes down and retest the support area and hold the previous resistance as a strong support or as the final support. And Ethereum did that. I believe it did that. It's very clear. So before we continue with the cup and handle, let's I don't want to get the chart too messy, but we have an equal measure moves here on a trend. So let's take this trend. Let's do it from the bottom to the top. And I believe on Ethereum, we're gonna have at least an equal measure move on a trend. An A, B, C, D pattern. Yes, that's what I believe. I believe Ethereum gonna go to this level. It's gonna go to 7,000. Let's say, yeah, 7,500 US dollars. And we're also gonna talk about the market cap, like if when Ethereum go to 7,500, what would the market cap be? But before we do that, let's also do the cup and handle pattern, if it is a cup and handle. I'm not too sure. It's not perfect, but I believe it is a cup and handle. Let's see. We take this, the top from this. Oh, right, I got it now. Yeah. Let's remove it. It's doing a cup and handle from here, this area. You see it to this. Yeah, these things are never perfect. Sometimes they are, but sometimes they are just not. So from this area to the other area, it makes sense. The cup and handle makes sense. So from the top to the bottom, and this is a liquidation candle. I don't believe we should take a liquidation candle, but let's do it. Sometimes we don't do that. This could be the real bottom, but heck, let's do that. And let's also Where is the trend indicator? Here. I mean, this is a beautiful cup. The cup and handle is not too perfect, but the handle is very beautiful. Clear trend breakout and retest the resistance area. We're gonna hold this resistance and then we're gonna go up. So Ethereum gonna go up very fast. I'm telling you, it's gonna happen very, very, very fast. So you don't have to be worried. Gonna go fast. And let's measure the cup and handle now. Let's take the top to the bottom. Oh, this is not the bottom. The bottom is here. Yeah. Let's measure it like that. The top. These things are not always perfect, but they are sometimes, well, they are most often accurate. A cup and handle pattern is not as powerful as a head and shoulder, but almost. So that would takes us to 18 US dollars to the penny. So let's say 17, 18 US dollars. And we're gonna talk about the market cap also. But let's mark this area. Alright. Before we do that, let's also see a Fibonacci. Fibonacci retracements are very powerful. They are has been actually very accurate in cryptocurrencies. So let's take the top to the bottom from the bull market of 2018, the end of 2018. It was the end of 2017, the beginning of 2018. Yes, the top came in and then we had a bottom here. All right, guys, you see what I see? It did not do the full Fibonacci. But what happened here? We have talked about this on this channel before. Almost, let me see, to the penny. Almost to the penny. We picked the bottom there, yeah, makes sense. I want to do it as accurate for you guys as possible. Yes, okay, do you see, guys? Almost to the penny, almost. We hit the 5 US dollars, 5,000 US dollars, almost. We have talked about this Fibonacci retracement, the full Fibonacci, the 3.618. I remember it from the total 2. Let's go for the total 2 for 1 second, and then we're gonna go back to Ethereum. You see, it's all the same. We did a head and shoulder on the total 2 and head and shoulder on Ethereum at the same exact time. To the penny. Man, to the penny, this is so beautiful. To the penny. The total 2 and Ethereum resemble each other so much. To the penny. We also hit the 3.618 Fibonacci. Let's go back to Ethereum. I'm trying to make this video as short as possible with as much information as possible, guys. But sometimes these videos get longer because we have to talk about the financial markets in depth, because this is very important. So now we know that we have 3 levels. We have this 7, and then we have the 18, and we also gonna do a Fibonacci here. Let's see where this take us from the top to the bottom. That match the Fibonacci almost to the penny. The full Fibonacci, the cup and handle pattern match Fibonacci extensions to the penny on the 17 US dollars. But on the previous bull market, we did not hit the full Fibonacci. We hit the 3.618. Yeah. So now we have three accurate levels. We have the first one, which is a full an equal leg or an equal measure move from the trend, an ABCD, which takes us to 7,000 US dollars, 7,500. The second one, which is the Fibonacci, based on the past, based on history, based on what the chart has been telling us. We did not hit the full Fibonacci, but we hit the 3.618 Fibonacci. And here we did a full cup and handle pattern, a real cup and handle pattern. It took us to a full Fibonacci, which is at almost 18 US dollars. So let's say 18,000 US dollars. So let's start from this one. 7,500 US dollars. That means Ethereum would go to 900 billion. That's almost, yeah, that's almost 1 trillion. Bitcoin is sitting at 1 trillion now. Can this happen? I would say yeah, because we are sitting so far at 469 billion. So I believe we can go to 900 billion easily. I would say that can happen. Let's do the other ones. So the next one was at 15, which is the more accurate based on the past. So we said 15 US dollars. That would take us 1.8 trillion. Let's go back to CoinMarketCap. Now Bitcoin is sitting 1.3, Ethereum 1.8. That would not happen unless Bitcoin went way up. I mean way up, like to 5 trillion. I would say that's possible, but so far that's not possible. We need to Bitcoin to move way up. Let's open the assets ranked by total market cap. So we have gold at 15 trillion, Microsoft at 3. I can see Bitcoin going above Microsoft easily for this market. So, and so for Ethereum to hit 1.8, right? 1.8. It's not possible, but we have to see Bitcoin going above Microsoft. Then I would tell you, yeah, that can happen. And let's take the last measure now, which is 18. Let's say 18 US dollars, 18,000 US dollars. $2.1. Now that's not possible. That's not possible. Not in this market, bull market, but I believe in the next one. I believe definitely we're gonna go to this level. But so far we're not gonna do that because, like I say, let the chart tell you a story. Now the chart has been telling us a story about the 15,000 US dollars. This level is most likely 7,500. But I wouldn't be surprised if Ethereum went up to 15 US dollars. I would not. But it gonna require that a lot of money gonna go into the Bitcoin and then to Ethereum. Ethereum cannot surpass Bitcoin. Not gonna happen. I can see Solana surpassing Ethereum for a moment, just like XRP did in 2017, right? Anyway, guys, please like and subscribe and share this video so we can hit 100 subscribers. I love you all and I respect you all. May God be with us. Bye bye. This is Traders Realm signing off.